Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to create a Google presentation. The example I'm going to create features a post-secondary school I would like to persuade you, my audience, to attend. I have gathered many facts using the school's website that I will now put into my presentation. First, go to google.com. Sign in to your account using your Gmail or Google Plus account. If you do not have a Gmail or Google account, you can create one. Once in your account, click on Drive at the top of the page. Now, to create a Google presentation, there will be a Create button on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on the Create tab. A drop-down menu appears. In this drop-down menu, you will have the option to create a presentation. After selecting Presentation in the menu, a window appears allowing you to select a theme. For my sample presentation today, I am going to select the theme Biz because that is the one of the colors for the school I am choosing. Plus, blue is a very pleasing color on the eye, and I want my presentation to be visually pleasing. When you have selected your theme, a light blue box surrounds the outside of the theme. Click OK to continue. The title page will appear first. Here you can input the name of your title of your presentation. I am going to put Concordia University. You can also put a subtitle. Here, I'm going to put St. Paul, Minnesota. Each theme has a default font size, and color. You can change this above in the menu bar that runs across the presentation. I am going to leave the font size the same, change the font to the Georgia font, and change the color to yellow to match the Concordia colors. I am going to add the Concordia logo to my title page for this example. I will go to Insert, Image, and drag the image from my desktop, placed there while I was doing my research. By clicking on the image, I can move it wherever I want, and I can also resize it by dragging the corners in and out. When your title page of your presentation is complete, you can add your next page by clicking on the Button tab, which will bring up a drop-down menu of page types that you can add. Your choices are title, title and body, title and 2 columns, title only, caption, or blank. If you don't want to use that, you can also select Insert and New Slide from the drop-down menu. So now I'm ready to go and add facts about Concordia that I gathered from their website and are a requirement for this assignment. First, I'm going to title this page About Concordia. Need to change my coloring of the font to yellow to stay with my theme. Now, I made a Google Doc as I was finding the information on the checklist so I could just copy and paste. I suggest that's what you do too. You may need to adjust your font sizes when you bring it over. You can play with that. That's on the upper bar there. Now I'm going to add my next page. To complete this, I am going to click on the plus button and select blank page. My image is saved in my Google Drive account in a folder. To select my image from my Google Drive, I will click on the image that I want to use, and once I select the image, it will be outlined in blue. Then I click OK. The image will then upload to the page. You can edit it and move it as I stated before. I'm going to tweak it a little bit here, fill the page out. Again, by selecting the corners and the outside lines and dragging them to the size that I want. For this example, I'm going to add a fourth and final slide consisting of the admission checklist. This is also all the information I gathered while reviewing Concordia's website. Changing my color, going back over to my Google Doc, cutting and pasting it into place. I need to adjust my font size so it'll all fit in there. Let's try 12. Maybe a little bigger than that. Let's try 14. Okay. Make sure for your presentation you add the other requirements I have not included to this point. All right, now I think I have it exactly how I'd like it. If you would like to add animation to your page, select the field that you want to add animation. In this case, I am going to add it to Admission Checklist. Go to Insert and Animation. The animation toolbar will appear. For my presentation, I am going to select Fade In. Since I added animation to the admission checklist page, we may want to also add it to the body. Then it will look consistent. I am also going to add it to the title page so that it seems more consistent. Of course, you can take the time to do it to every page in your entire presentation. There. Once our presentation is complete, we can view our presentation by clicking the down arrow next to Present and select Present from Beginning. We can play our presentation by selecting Play or manually click on the arrows here. Wow, that looks great. What a great start for me. I hope it goes as well for you. Remember that get as far as you can, and together we'll review everything in class every day. I hope you've enjoyed this flipped lesson.